It's a third down swimming airplane. It's nice, strong, and elegant. We were inspired by the curve the butterfly's wings, so we made the curves in here. So this plane is beautiful. It's light and it's strong. Look at that! Look at that go, huh? That's great! Second flight NEURON. Seeing LEARN's pretty cool. And the main flight went so well. NEURON is good at loops. Third flight and they just lost. Flight of the Battiest. In the first flight, NEURON flew pretty good. However, like Tanzania, we still had some yaws too. In the dihedral, you have two airballs. We're going to do a distance on this plane, and we think it's going to be pretty cool when we do that.